Hey guys, Conrad Demix, TSM Roofing. We're out here on a new tile build. Today we're gonna go over why and when you should consider getting a new tile replacement versus just getting your underlayment replaced. Follow along. Let's go into why this homeowner specifically wanted to go with the new tile. During the initial inspection, I got up there and noticed that there was hundreds of broken and cracked tile up on the roof from their current tile. I also noticed that it was an obsolete product, no longer made, and I knew that was going to cause a concern when we were having to go and find new tile that would fit properly with the tile that were up there and a color match. A lot of times when you're dealing with a tile replacement, you are going to break some. We're going to break some. There's going to be some already broken. So we try our best to find a compatible tile along with a compatible tile cosmetically as well. Something that's matched. You don't have a big block. So what we did, we took the broken tile count that we had, did some math on what it would probably cost to get them the current tile that they had up there replaced up there, knowing that we probably weren't going to find a similar color, and presented them with the idea of maybe let's look at some new tile. So that's what we did. The new tile look was a better idea for them anyway. They were wanting to paint the house. They were wanting to, match more of the color of that they were going to paint the house, the tile, compared to what they have now. So we ended up going with the Westlake S tile. It's a great look. They're going to love it, and it's going to match their house really well. So it was more cost effective than having old tiles up there that were probably going to be discolored. So now they're going to get new underlayment, brand new tiles, and it's going to have a brand new roof that's going to last them years and years. All right, your roof tile project has started. First thing we're going to do is we're going to show up promptly, depending on sunrise, somewhere between 6 and 7 in the morning. We're going to back our trailers in and we're going to set up our catch-all system. A catch-all system goes over your landscaping, your garage. We try to protect the property the best we can to eliminate any potential issues. Next, the crew's going to pop up, start removing the tile one by one, dumping them into our dump trailer to be removed and dumped somewhere else. That's going to allow us access to the roof to begin tearing off our underlayment, our battens, and getting to work on the rest. This typically takes a day or two depending on the size of the roof. This roof here, 6,600 square feet of roof, took them a little over a day to remove all of the tile, get them dumped and taken out. So this is what you can expect from day one, maybe day two of your new tile roofing project. Now we've backed our trailer into your driveway. We get the question a lot. Do you guys just leave a roll-off dumpster here for the week, or do you bring a trailer? We opt to use a trailer. A couple reasons why. One, we're throwing thousands of pounds of concrete tile into the trailers. Putting that onto a roll-off just increases the risk for damage to your driveway, pavers, things of that nature. The trailer seems like a better option there. Another reason why is because we don't want to just leave a roll-off dumpster in front of your garage and in your driveway for 3, 4, 5 days. Inconveniences you, and really a trailer is easier for us. We're able to put all the concrete into the trailer, take it to a specific dumping area where it's exclusively for concrete. Then when we're ready, we can bring it back, put our underlayment and other roof items into there. That way we don't have to separate them. The trailer is the way to go. All right, now we're going to start our dry-in process. And the dry-in process is exactly what it sounds like. We're going to get your house watertight. So what we're going to do after we've removed all that old underlayment, the old batten strips, those are in the dump. We're now going to dry it in with a new underlayment, whether that be a self-adhering object, a mechanically fastened product. Both products are great, but that's what we're going to do. We're going to dry it in, get our new batten strips laid down, get your roof watertight. This is typically a 1-day process, which now we're at about that 3-day mark with having to throw the old stuff away and getting the new stuff laid down. All right, the roof is dried in. Now the fun part. We're going to load up the new tiles that you've picked out. So our supplier will bring in our pallets. In this case, we have 27 pallets of new tile from Westlake. Bring them in. That next day, our crew is going to forklift them up, disperse them throughout the roof to make it super easy and accessible for the crew to then lay them. That next day, the crew is going to lay. They're going to do their detail work, your hips, your ridges, your mortar caps, your flashings, all of the fun stuff that is needed to get your roof 100% together. Now, this is a fun part and an exciting part, but it does get loud There's all the weight is getting put onto your roof. You're starting to see your roof transpire into what you envisioned just a short time ago. This is an awesome part. Let's check back for my favorite part though. All right, that's a wrap. Now you guys know a little bit of what goes into a new tile job on an existing tile roof. This isn't something that happens every day, but it is a good situation for several homeowners. Homeowners that have A, an extreme amount of broken tile already, or B, maybe that customer just wants to change the cosmetic look of their house, whether that's going from a flat tile to an S tile like this homeowner did, or just changing the color all the way around. So next time you're going to the store, taking your kids to soccer practice, and you see that crew of 10 up there on the roof, you guys kind of know what's going on. If that's ever interested you, and you have any questions about getting yours done, feel free to give us a call. 623-213-8267, TSM Roofing. This family's happy. I'm sure you guys will be too. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. We'll talk to you guys soon.
Hey guys, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. It helps us keep bringing you this great roofing content. Thanks for watching. TSM Roofing, we got you covered.